The Add New User screen is where a user is added to the site. If the Anyone Can Register option is set in the Membership section of the General Settings screen, then users can register themselves. Regardless of that setting, you can always manually create new users from this screen. To add a user, enter a username. This is a required field, and this name cannot be changed. This is the login name for that user. Enter a valid email address for the new user. The email address is required and must be unique for each user. This email address is used for any notifications sent by the administrator of the site. You can enter the first name, the last name, and a website of the user, but these fields are optional. The password is required and must be entered twice, once in each text box. If they don't match, then an error message will be generated to try again. The strength indicator lets you know if the password is very weak, weak, medium, or strong, and are displayed in the color bar. The stronger the password, the more secure the login. The password should be at least 7 characters long. To make it stronger, use upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The Send Password box, if checked, will send this password to the new user's email address you entered above. Role is a drop-down box with the various levels of membership. Select the desired role for this user from the drop-down box. There are 5 different membership levels. These levels determine what access each member has to the site. The higher the level, the more options available. The role here is default that was set in the General Settings screen. This default can be changed from that screen. These roles are described in the General Settings video. The Add New User button saves the user's information to the database. If you don't click this button, the user will not be added. When the user is added, a message appears at the top of the panel letting you know that the new user has been added. This new user can now log in at the admin screen to the WordPress site.